I've officially built a campaign that raised over $1 million for the Wounded Warrior Project. In today's video, I'm gonna show you exactly how I did it. I started a campaign called the Great American Convoy, where motorcycles ride from all around the country together, like one big long convoy of bikes going from Harley-Davidson dealership to Harley-Davidson dealership. But it's not always easy. Like this morning, we left from Memphis, Tennessee in the pouring rain. This is year 4 of the Great American Convoy. And like I said, we just broke $1 million. We're at like $1,002,000 we've raised to help these veterans. And it's a very important cause. These heroes are suffering with things right back here in America after they've already given so much overseas. Personally, I never served in the military, which is why I came up with a phrase that says, if you did not serve, find time to serve those who did. And I think that's the first thing you need to do if you're going to try to build something to raise this much money, is you need to build it around something you have passion with. For 4 years, riders have been coming from all over the country, and heck, even from out of the country, to join the convoy. They can join for a day, a week, the entire thing. It doesn't matter. The amount of time is up to them. The important thing is that they come and join. And the experience people take from this thing is more than just the money we donate. It's also the camaraderie, it's the open road, and seeing this beautiful country. Now, what they do is they come, and at every stop they attend, they donate. What we recommend is a minimum of $20. Well, you can guess you need an awful lot of riders to show up to break $1 million, 20 bucks at a stop. We do get a ton of riders. Thousands and thousands, tens of thousands of riders have shown up to ride this convoy, in many ways making this the largest motorcycle charity ride in the history of the world. But riders don't only donate their own money. Many of these rally up their friends, their local businesses, heck, even their own personal companies to put money into the pot. And some of them come with some pretty big checks.
I joined the convoy of 23 and have been back every year since, because it's just been family and raising money to a good cause. Adam's just one person being a small part of something so big. My husband and I, we are part of the Legion Riders, and so they always donate. And last year our Legion jumped in. We got friends and family that were sending us money or hopping online. We're not just our money doing it. We're just bringing in the group and just collecting from everybody. And I'm happy to come and give it and help the Wounded Warrior Project, because the convoy is a great time. But on top of that, it's raising money for a great cause.
But in the end, it's the commitment to the project. It's the taking the time out of your day to show up and do something for these veterans. Like I said, serving those who serve. And people show up year after year, just like my boy Gino from Wisconsin.
I'm Gino from Wisconsin. This is my 4th year on the convoy, and if you haven't done it, get on that bike and get out here. It's amazing. It's fun for us, but the fact of the matter is we're bringing awareness and raising funds for the Wounded Warrior Project. So the riding along is a huge bonus. So get on your bike and meet us at a stop. You won't regret it.
Together, these riders and I have ridden all over this country, all 48 states. We have done over 200 fundraising activations in Harley-Davidson dealerships across the country. But to me, the camaraderie that comes out of that not only is good for us as people and great for the motorcycle sport as a whole, but also just makes a difference, and to the tune of over $1 million this year. But we hope to break 1.5 by the end of next. And that takes more than just us riders and our friends and our pool. It takes companies that stand behind us. Companies like Best Western, where we're standing right now today. They've supported every single convoy from the start. Also, my friends over at the Harley-Davidson Motor Company put a lot of work into making sure that people know about this event happening around the country. They have stood behind us, and without them, we could not be raising this type of money. Another sponsor that's been every single year is Law Tigers. We've had D&D Exhaust, we've had Trask Performance, Cardo Communication Systems, which is how we talk back and forth through the bikes. Works out pretty good. We've had Legends Suspension at every single one, and Ciro 3D. These are companies who have stepped up to the plate to help us make this thing happen. And I'm certain they're gonna play a role in reaching the goals to come. Another thing we implemented is giveaway motorcycles. Every single year, we have given away a brand new Harley-Davidson to one person who attends with absolutely no requirements. They just show up at one of the dealer stops while we're there, they scan a QR code, and they are automatically entered to win. One person who attends the convoy will get their name drawn and go home with a brand new 2026 Harley-Davidson Road Glide Liberty Edition. This is the motorcycle Harley put out for 250 years of American excellence. So like I said, it takes a collaboration of a lot of people and a lot of companies to reach a goal like this. And we have officially done it. We broke $1 million. That is a super exciting thing for me. And like I said, I know before long we'll be at 1.5 million. And who knows, we'll see how far this thing can go. One thing is for certain, it won't happen with just me. It takes you at home as well. You can scan this QR code right here on the screen. It'll take you directly to the Wounded Warrior Project website, and you can make a donation from home to help us reach our next goal. Meanwhile, we'll be out here putting down miles every day, hoping you saddle up your bike and join us.